Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking this video and subscribing. Helps what we do here and helps the channel out. If you're not in our Facebook group, it is Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. Link down below for you to join over there. Let's get into today's video. We're going to talk about listing party, or as Clara calls it, listing party. If you missed it, live at the Boss Up Reseller Remix in Vegas last year, Clara and Amanda from List Perfectly were on a panel and launched their new listing party live at the event. And then at lunchtime in the exhibition or vendor hall, they had a listing party and everyone gathered around while Amanda demoed the new listing party live so people who weren't at the event could watch. It was a terrific time. Clara and Amanda are not only smart and amazing businesswomen, they're really fun people. So I'm going to set up my profile right now with you guys while you watch. Everyone else had started setting them up there, but I decided to save mine so we could do it together and you could see what listing party is all about. If you can't tell, I'm still on a high from Reseller Remix. I have so much to tell you guys. I will have tons of videos and reels on Instagram and photos coming out over the next few days. We are also 9 days out from moving to Pennsylvania. So I have a lot going on. My plate is so full, but I'm so excited and just full of just so much. It always takes a lot to process these events, but I'll get the info out to you, starting with listing party. I can't help it. I make myself laugh. All right. Listing party launch. Oh, you can see there's a ton of notifications here in your List Perfectly. Make sure you're always checking your notifications because info comes here. There is a new beta feature called order detection, which also dropped last week at the Remix. You need to update your W-9 if you need to. They always put your information there for you. So, listing party. We have big plans for listing party and are excited for you to join the fun. So its mission is basically to offer a safe and fun space where all of us from the community can learn, source, hire, support, inspire, and so much more. You will create your custom profile. And there's a video here talking about that a little bit, what you can expect in listing party. So we're going to watch it together. You can participate in live events, connect and share with sellers, find assistance, get inspired, and much more. There's going to be a custom profile for other partiers to see you. You will create unique party names. Basically, it's just going to be like a bio that you set up anywhere where you pick your picture and any information that you want to include. At the end of this video, I'm going to set mine up with you guys. You can search for assistants. You guys, there are going to be virtual assistants on this site that you can hire. And the best part is these virtual assistants are vetted by List Perfectly. So the team at List Perfectly will vet these people and make sure they're good. We're going to browse listings to shop and source. What? Yes, you can take all of your listings from List Perfectly and put them into listing party, and people can shop and support one another. We'll have live listing parties to connect with fellow partiers. You can get tips and support there as well. And you'll be able to see if there's a party happening and join it.
I didn't look them up. These were $23. I will list them on eBay, Poshmark.
That's T-Money. All right. So that's just the beginning. There's more to come. So I think it's really exciting about the virtual assistants because sometimes you never know who you're going to get or what you're going to get. These are folks that are all either resellers we're already familiar with that are looking to pick up some part-time work, or actual just virtual assistants that are actually being used by people in the community that have been vetted and are trustworthy. Okay, so then you're going to go to the disclaimer. It's meant to be a fun way for sellers to connect. It will not be involved in any agreements between two parties. Okay, so don't get them invited, get them involved with any terms or payments that you're doing with someone else. You can't promote any other services that offer cross posting or consignment options. Obviously, that's a conflict of interest. So within listing party, which is owned by List Perfectly, clearly you can't list other apps and companies that are going to be a direct conflict of interest or a competitor. Be professional and polite. Don't be a turd, guys. Like I like to tell you, be clear and transparent when you create your profile and offer services. Just be honest. Be what you would want others to be, right? And don't use anything inappropriate. I mean, this is just common sense, but unfortunately, in today's day and age, it has to be written out. Don't be a turd. Be a nice person. Be an adult. Be a human. And be, a responsible business person who knows how to conduct themselves. So let's get it started. Let's get this listing party started. So I'm probably going to have to log in, which is fine, unless I'm already logged. Okay, I'm already logged in. So here we're going to create or edit your profile, which we'll do in just a second. You can join a live listing party, find someone to help with your business, and source. So edit profile. This, our List Perfectly is under Keith's name, but since I am the face of our company and the social media person, we're going to put my name. I'll try to upload a picture while you guys are here. I should have my computer pretty organized that I can find one that I want. That's the one I usually use everywhere. And party name, what is this? Username that will display publicly. Pick something fun and party-like. Use the name you have across social media for branding. Okay, so we're going to put Flippin' Hippos because that's my name across social media. I'm in the United States, right? Last time I checked. United States. And I'm going to put Pennsylvania. Although I'm still currently in Florida at this moment, we only have about 9 days left here. All right, guys, sorry about that blip there. I realized when I clicked within the city, a drop down with our current address and some personal information that I didn't want live on my YouTube. So I filled that out and came back. Here's a bio. I'll come back and fill this in so you guys don't have to watch me type it out, but I'll probably just copy paste something from our website or our Instagram that already says, basically who we are, Keith and Star, life and business partners, full-time resellers, etc. You want to use your bio to explain yourself. If you're on here looking for work, if you are wanting to be a virtual assistant or already are a virtual assistant or just looking for some extra part-time work, you may want to put that in your bio. Maybe that you have experience with listing or with List Perfectly or what platforms have you, but there's other places to fill that in as well. We typically use the same bio across all of our social media. All right, so Flippin' Hippos is saved, and I'm going to say I'm a seller, and that's it. But you can be a seller and an assistant and a consignor. You can be whatever you want to be. And I'm going to say I'm a seller. 6 to 15 years, right? 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah. I had to count on my fingers. Preferred, I like eBay. I like Macari. We dabble on Amazon, but I wouldn't say it's preferred. I do like Shopify, Poshmark, and Grail. Look at that, guys. I want to click Amazon because we do sell on there, but it says preferred. And Keith usually does all of that with our electronics. Amazon's not that seller friendly. I'm just going to say that. What are my preferred categories? Toys. And, because it's a subcategory. So we'll put plushies, right? And then I can put apparel, and we do like, I don't know, jeans. It's not keeping my plushies. I don't know why. All right, I'm going to come back and fiddle fart around with this later so you guys don't have to watch this struggle. But there's places for drop down, and then you can pick what you do here. And you can put seller notes like, yo, I love eBay. Whatever you want to do. I'm going to save that. I'm going to come back and fix it so that's not my forever profile. But you'll get the drift. So you can do all that there. About me and what do you do and seller. So you can go on the side here in case you're wondering what I'm doing and go back through your profile. You can go to List Perfectly straight from here right to your launch pad. But I want to go back to the front of the listing party so we can see the other offerings that they had. So you would just click the listing party up here. It's very colorful. You can't miss it. So join a live listing party. If you go to events, you're going to see that on Wednesday, October 19th at 4 p.m., Teresa Cox, better known as T-Money, will be hosting a party with List Perfectly questions, YouTube live session with Clara, Doug, and guest on Friday, October 21st at 3 p.m. So you can copy the link to the party if you would like to attend. If it was currently happening now, you would just click join over here where it says copy link. And you can see past parties. This was the launch from the reseller remix that I talked about. That was a past party that had happened. And let's go back here. Find a partner. So this is where you find assistants. This is everybody using listing party and all of the profiles there. So you can dig through and find someone to connect with. Find someone that you might be interested in hiring as a virtual assistant. Did you see what I did there? You come over here on the left, you click these two things. It opens up a menu over here where you can have a search to find what you're looking for. Are you looking for an assistant, a consigner, the experience level, sites, specialties? I mean, you can really niche this down to what you're looking for. Hey, I know her. I'm looking at all these faces. I've met most of these people at FlipCon or Reseller Remix this year. I got lots of new friends. All right, so we're going to go back over here and down to source. So you're going to be able to put your listings in here now. And you're not going to buy right from here. You're going to put your listings from your List Perfectly catalog into Listing Party if you want. You don't have to. You literally have to click to do it. It's not automatic. So you can create your profile on Listing Party and never have your items here in this selling part. It's a choice. You have to push a button to do it. But it will show wherever it's available. So you're not going to buy on Listing Party. It's not going to be participating in any purchases. You can decide that you like this vintage ceramic kitten by 2 German Shepherds. And you can select which platform you want to purchase from. So it's like buyer's choice. Which platform do you like to shop on best? Or maybe we're being super supportive sellers to each other and choosing the platforms we know have the least amount of fees to help each other out. And if you want to check out their profile before you buy, you can. So the overview again is to create or edit your profile. You can join a party. Find an assistant or a consigner to work with. And that's how folks will find you if that's what you're interested in. And you can always change your mind. You saw on your profile, you can always change from being a seller and a assistant to just being a seller. Or down the road, you can decide to take on some extra work and be an assistant. Whatever you want to do. And then you can put your listings into the sourcing to support folks. If you'd like, you do not have to do that part. I recommend it. Personally, from now on, if I'm looking for something specific to shop for, I'm going to search here first to support my fellow resellers and list perfecters. I want to support the folks within the listing party and List Perfectly community. I want to make sure that I'm supporting other resellers that are within the community. So yes, everyone on eBay is a seller, but this way you can support folks that we all know and have met or use List Perfectly, and we're all within the same community, like supporting each other. So next time I need a Pokemon shirt for, Boxery Reseller Remix, I'm going to come in here and look for it. So how do you get your listings into List Party, you ask? Well, first you make a profile and sign up to be a part of Listing Party. And then either from the action here or the notification, you can click this link, or you can cross post to listing party just like you do everything else. One by one or in bulk. You select them, and it's now right here in with all of the other selling platforms that you can cross post to. So you just select listing party, copy, and boom, your listings all go to the listing party, and we can all support one another. And the most important question I know on everyone's mind right now is, but how much does it cost? The answer is $0. So if you are already a user of List Perfectly, Listing Party is offered to you for no additional fees every month. It's just there for us to use. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. Until next time, guys, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.